Got the RV6 unboxing. Yep. We got some goodies from RV6, man. Shout out to them guys for the J series aftermarket support that they have. You feel me? Ugh. Thing is, I ordered something. But to be honest with you, I don't know what this is. It might be the stuff that's supposed to go with it. Or it could be some treats. Comes nicely packed. There we go. Yes, sir. So we're gonna see what's behind door number 1. Maybe just nuts and bolts. Oh, it came! Oh, wait, hold on, bro. Hold on, wait, what? I did not order these at the same time. Well, I mess with y'all. That's crazy. So, listen, all right, what we have, and listen, I'm laughing because it literally in a week's time, I've damn near went like full bolt on. So we have the crankshaft pulley. We also ordered pre-cats. That's the surprise. Already installed is a throttle body spacer, manifold spacer and shit. Like this is. Only thing I really didn't do is a EGR key. I don't plan on doing that. Oh shit. Okay, let's see what's behind door number 2. That's crazy. Okay, we got gaskets. Oh, that's one of them. Oh no, wait. Is this endless? Is this endless? I'm not understanding this. Maybe it was an RV6 test pipe. I'm not understanding. But I got a test pipe from Endless RPM as well. I'm not sure if this is a test pipe. This is not, I don't think this is a pre-cat. I don't think this is a test pipe. But I ordered the test pipe from Endless RPM. Oh, you know what? I'm goofy. I ordered all 3 of these from Endless. Wow, I literally have everything now. So yeah, guys, today's video will be definitely me putting all of this on. We got to see the pre-caps. Absolutely right about that. I have my knife that we use some kids. I feel like a little kid right now. I'm getting tint put on. 2 days from now, so she's gonna look good and she's gonna sound good. Thank you, Endless. Also, shouts out to Endless RPM for their J series support. Fucking love y'all. I got a J pipe from them as well. Ooh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Listen, guys, we're about to have some fun. That's all I know. RV6, baby. Shouts out to y'all.